Bad mind are your biggest problem. That's why your eye then look so, because of bad mind. Right? Bad mind. Why your eye then look like that? Your eye them look like that because of bad mind. A bad mind, a bad mind. You know, no nerves problem or no farmer way you talk about. A bad mind make your eye then turn so. You understand? Have a chore. Right? You look just like them. Bad mind make your eye then turn so. Bad mind make God fix your eye them like so that you can't see good. Bad mind. You sit down and you watch out everybody live. You report everybody live. You see everybody business. And whatever it is. And then you come on and you wear your glasses them. Right? And come play a victim like say you're somebody. You wear your glasses them and you come on. And you come on like you want nice something. Like you're the nicest something in the world and you're so old and all that. You're wicked. You're one wicked woman. May I tell you, you're one wicked woman. You're one wicked woman. One woman called and tell me a thing. I tell me a thing. And I don't lie the woman I tell. And I prove it. That's one of the reason I come on my page and check something. I prove it. I want to wicked man. I want to wicked. I want to wicked woman. You understand? He always talk about people fight against him and then he fight against people. He fight against everybody he fight against. Like anybody set you so I make you so worthless. You notice me not trouble you from the idea? I don't trouble you from the idea. I give a break from the idea. But you're going to get me start up back again. And this time, when I start up back, it's going to be beat and teach. You know, I go tap. When I start up on you this time, here? This time I will get the real deal. That wicked woman the next door, can't say woman the next door. That's how ugly sitting next door yesterday. Look like a amateur, or what they want to call it. Understand? Because you want to be boss so bad, and you want people to rate you so bad, and they're not going to rate you. Because there's nothing for you for nobody rate. Eh? Oh, no ambition. You're no ambition, man. From the other day, that's why I don't bother me no people. I don't bother myself. I give my bit of break. And in start back again quietly and matter about who I fight against him and who. That you fight against me, nobody not fighting against you. Because you know nothing for nobody fight against. You got people. Anybody fight against if you're tool to shoot them. Nobody not fight against if you're tool to shoot them. Nobody fighting against you. You have to stop sit down on phone and chat people. You must stop sit down on phone and chat people and make up a kind of story about people. If you tap it. Because you know, say you're not no backative. You don't have any backative. You know, say you can't fight no war by yourself. Yeah, Sharon Boonfield, yeah. I saw him turn, man, and then when people don't know him come on and I go on like say my somebody. All over I walk. Hey, my woman, if you go and play with me, I go and send a Duppy over here, you know. That me I tell you, you know. You go and play with me, you know. I send a Duppy over here for terrorizing the yard, you know. Oh, you must think a joking thing, this. Oh, you go on here? You go on. Oh, wait a minute. You go on here, lady. You all sitting over the ugly sitting next door. You go on. Eh? Belly a front and belly a back and belly everywhere. Eh? Shape like egg. You say you shape like egg? Eh? You say you shape like egg? And I have a regular 4-leg duck egg. You say you shape? Out of place, out of nowhere. All you do is sit down on phone and chat. Let me tell you something, you don't have no friend, you know. You don't have no friend, because people when you sit down and chat with, as soon as you get off your phone with them, because when people call for buy one, you sit down and chat people. You understand? People call you for chat you, for chat people with you, for you can, for people can come back and say A, B, and C. No, you can't put no pressure and go on, hey, woman, let me tell you something. Don't make me have to pick up the phone and call Jamaica, yeah? Don't make me have to pick up the phone and call Jamaica, because I will send a baby Duppy in your yard, yeah? You stay there and think I'm joking this. Eh? You think I joke this? You think I joke? Yeah, I'm telling the people. When you notice people talking truth. When you notice from other day, yeah, me not even calling him, me not troubling from there. Me give him a little break. Me say, alright. Me give him a little break. Right? Me say, me give him a little break. Make him break off. Right? But this whole avatar, what they want to call the old ugly sitting, worthless sitting for next door. Walk and name them people punch you like freaking termite. Right? Name them people factory like termite. People sit like termite. You know, so one place over here, so I'm going to go over there. Don't say for them. I'm going to go over there to ask them a question. I'm going to go over there to ask them a question. All worthless, man. Let me tell you, if I dare them, I don't bother the woman, and I left him, come here and say, yo, you can't be cruel to a dumb animal, you know. I'm going to say, alright, I'm going to give him a little bit of break because everybody beg for him. All Sharon don't feel beg for him. Sharon don't feel when I like I'll beg for him and say, boy, doctor, alright, you know, everybody beg for him. I'm going to say, alright, I'm going to give him a little bit of break, make him breathe in peace. But in start again, I do something because sitting quietly and quiet. Eh? I said, I used to pick up the phone and call customer and tell like, for the lady at 99 said the lady send up things in her cake, come and find him. One of them can talk your time out. Him used to pick up his phone and call customer and tell customer and said the lady at 99. The lady at 99 I sent sitting in her cake. Him was what I want. I do can come out time out and talk about it. Him come out time out and talk about it. See film phone service over there, free phone them. She free phone them over there, then free phone with the power welfare, then free phone I get. He used to pick up the phone and call customer and tell life of the woman that how wicked sitting over there. See phone them so I always get. See phone them here.